If you love beautiful color right out of the watercolor pan, especially pinks and reds, this MeiLang Watercolor Set is a winner. It's affordable, it's really beginner friendly, and it gives you a wide variety of both soft and vibrant shades without needing to mix. Because I can mix, but I don't like to. And I really love those macron colors. Here I'm switching to a few of my favorites from the pink and the red family. You'll see the pigments are so juicy and the flow is really smooth, even on a lower textured paper. I used these same colors to paint a graduation cap. It turned out soft, playful, and full of personality. The pre-mixed shades really saved me a lot of time and made layering really easy. And then I also added some florals. The reds and pinks blended beautifully without getting muddy. And if you're into brush lettering like I am, the color holds up beautifully for names, quotes, and small details as well. So for the price and range of a ready-to-go colors, MeiLang makes watercolor approachable and fun, especially if you'd rather paint than mix, like me.